Hi, I'm Hannah with Termly, and today I'm walking through how Termly supports Google Consent Mode version 2. What it is, why it matters, and how you can set it up correctly. Google Consent Mode allows your website to communicate your users' consent choices directly to Google services such as Analytics, Ads, and Tag Manager. Instead of simply blocking or firing tags, Consent Mode adjusts how Google tags behave depending on whether the user grants or denies consent. Version 2 builds on the original by introducing 2 additional consent signals: add user data and add personalization. These signals are required for serving ads in certain regions, particularly in the European Economic Area, and they give advertisers more explicit control over how user data is used. Termly makes it easy to activate Google Consent Mode version 2 through our consent management platform. As a Google CMP partner with Gold status, Termly integrates directly with Google Consent Mode to pass consent signals accurately across supported Google services. Behind the scenes, our legal team continuously monitors for regulatory developments, and our engineering team ensures our products stay aligned as requirements evolve. To enable Google Consent Mode, first start by logging into your Termly dashboard and opening your consent banner settings. Navigate to your regional consent settings and enable Google Consent Mode for the regions where you'd like it applied. Once activated, Termly automatically configures your banner to send the appropriate consent signals to Google based off of your user selections. If you're using Google Tag Manager, you can enable Google Consent Mode using Termly's official GTM template. The template listens for consent updates and applies them across your Google tags. One important step is to make sure that the consent settings configured in your Google GTM template match the settings in your Termly dashboard. Keeping them consistent ensures that consent preferences are sent correctly to Google. For a more detailed walkthrough, Termly offers a step-by-step guide covering Google Consent Mode setup in depth. We've linked this down below in the description for you. If you need additional help, our support team is available to assist with setup or troubleshooting, so you're not navigating this alone. To learn more about Google Consent Mode version 2 and how to set it up with Termly, visit termly.io.